Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix gaming apps not showing on the home screen or app screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Gaming Hub app. After click on Gaming Hub app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in Gaming Hub settings, scroll down and you will see show game apps. After click on show game apps, if you want to fix gaming app not showing on the home screen and app screen, so click on in gaming hub add the home and app screen. After click on this option, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix gaming apps not showing on the home and app screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.